Create this lightweight, elegant shrug in just one day using your circular knitting machine and bamboo 7 yarn from Silk City Fibers. This project is perfect for layering and adds a soft, breathable touch to any outfit. What you'll need for this project: a 46 or 48 needle circular knitting machine such as your Addy or Centro, one cone of the bamboo 7 from Silk City Fibers. Wind half of it into a second ball using a yarn winder. You'll need scissors, measuring tape, crochet hook, stitch holders or clips, and a darning needle. Here are the steps to make the shrug. Step number 1. Measure from the point where you want the sleeve to end on one arm, across your back, to the same point on the other arm. This will be the length of your tubes. Step number 2. Using 2 strands of bamboo 7 held together, knit a gauge swatch of 50 rows. Measure how many rows per inch, then multiply that number by your measured length to determine how many rows each tube needs. Step number 3. Knit 3 tubes using the row count calculated in step number 2. Begin and end each tube with waste yarn to make finishing easier. Step number 4. Close both ends of each tube using the slip stitch method to form neat, flat edges. Step number 5. Put 2 tubes together side by side lengthwise. Take stitch holders and, following the straight row down, put a stitch holder every 15 stitches to create a professional finish. Then use the mattress stitch to join them together along the long edges. Then do the same, adding the 3rd tube, forming one large rectangle. Step number 6. Measure from where the sleeve will end on your arm to your underarm. Fold the rectangle in half and sew each end upward to that point, creating the armholes. Step number 7. Weave in all yarn ends using a darning needle. Your breathable bamboo shrug is ready to wear, perfect for layering through spring, summer, and fall. For more tips and tutorials, visit my YouTube channel, Circular Machine Knitting, and shop for the yarn used in this project at silkcityfibers.com.